Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the suspicious world of reviewtos.com, a website that claims you can earn rewards through simple steps, like sharing your info and completing deals. Because, as we all know, the best way to get rich is by clicking random buttons for strangers on the internet. But is this site actually legit, or is it just another digital trap designed to harvest your clicks? Let's look at the evidence. The first red flag is their registration data, which claims the site was created in October 2025. Yes, apparently we've discovered a website from the future, yet it somehow still looks like a scam from 2010. With no history and zero credibility, it's about as trustworthy as a free candy sign on a windowless van. The concerns only grow from there. When you finally click that Get Started button, instead of seeing a reward process, the site redirects you to a completely different page. It's like ordering a steak and being handed a brochure for a timeshare in Florida. This bait-and-switch tactic is confusing, frustrating, and a hallmark of a site that has no intention of being reliable. Then comes the interrogation. The platform peppers you with question after question, leading you down a rabbit hole that never actually ends in a payout. You're essentially donating your time to a digital void, which is great if you have absolutely nothing better to do with your life. The lack of transparency is where things get truly dark. There is no contact information, no privacy policy, and not a single social media link to be found. It's a digital ghost town. Usually, when a business hides its identity this well, it's either run by Batman or someone who doesn't want to be found when the complaints start rolling in. We even checked independent platforms like Trustpilot for any sign of life, but we found absolutely nothing. Zero user feedback and zero confirmation that anyone has ever received a dime from this place. So, is reviewtalks.com legit? Based on the future registration date, the sketchy redirects, the endless questions, and the total lack of contact info, it's a hard pass. This platform is waving more red flags than a parade in Moscow. Do yourself a favor and don't waste your time or your personal data on sites that are this allergic to honesty. If you enjoyed this reality check, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.